Hello everyone, the Office Lad here. I'm working on a report and I need to bold a specific word or term throughout the document. The term we are having is this United Nations and it is occurring again and again in this long report. One option that we got is like selecting the first occurrence and pressing Ctrl B to turn it to bold, and then finding the next one and pressing Ctrl B, and here we got the third one, selecting it, turning it to bold. This will take ages obviously, so this I don't want to have. Another approach, which isn't perfect either, is to use the find option and typing United Nations here. This will only help me in finding all the occurrences quickly. Like this is the first occurrence and I select it and turn it to bold, and then I resume the search by pressing next, and this will give me the next occurrence quickly. I can see and turn it to bold, and then for finding the next occurrence I'm resuming the search, and here it is, so turning this to bold. So this approach is only helping me in finding the occurrences quickly, nothing else. So I'm leaving it because I have to go through all the United Nations terms to do this, and we have lots and lots of these terms in this document, so it will not help. So how we have to approach it? We should go to replace, and the trick is hidden here in more, in this format option. I'm coming back to it. What we are going to do is we are saying we want to replace United Nations with United Nations, but with some formatting. Let me tell you folks, even if we don't type anything here, it will still work. It will pick the formatting only. But just to be very much clear, I'm saying that United Nations to be replaced with United Nations, but with some formatting. Remember, we can even use the highlight option that will highlight the text in yellow color. We even have more options, but for this, we are going to font, and in font, we have the option of bold. Choose it and press OK. And as soon as you will press replace all, it will do the trick. So basically, we are saying we want to replace United Nations with United Nations, but with bold formatting. Now simply press replace all, and all the occurrences in the document will be replaced with United Nations in bold. So remember, you can even have more formatting. You can even change the font size of a specific word, or you can highlight it as I told before. So I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.